Welcome to day 20 of my phase 2 60-day bulking phase challenge. As I continue with my upper body workout because of my lower body injury, I just want to talk about Chinese gyms in general. I've seen that since I've been posting videos, there's a certain like of people asking about the two gyms that I've shown in my videos and what the gym lifestyle is in China. And this is, for me, it is a good friendly environment to, it's like any other gym you go to in any country. If you show respect, you get respect, but it all depends with the gym you go to. Some gyms, they're just small commercial gyms, and some are just average gyms like this one I'm watching on at this very moment. But there is also professional bodybuilding gyms that even if you not a fitness enthusiast and you just want to bulk up, I am sure every country has got one, every city has got one, every town has got one, but there is one in particular here in Beijing that every few months I go to, and I will be going back to this gym in the next few days. I'll try to do 2 weeks to a month. It depends on my subscription and how I'll be feeling at that stage, if I'm now fully recovered or not, because it is quite a distance from where I live. But going to that gym, it's worth the benefit, is worth the effort. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, drop a comment, and also any advice I'll be happy to take, and any suggestions and challenges are welcome.